She won't eat on her own. I put the bowl near her and she ends up trying to scratch. I gotta wash that as well. I'm not going to be around forever to hand feed you. Cannot. Come here. Try. Try. You see? No. Then she'll scratch. Lamb and liver. Hang on, I'm going to put her down. Finish this? I'll just leave it there lah. What's the time? 10 past 10. I am going to cook the rice, and then while the rice is cooking, do the laundry. I have a class at 11. Finish those two and I have my second coffee. Pumar. Okay, stop first, huh? I'll wash this and then wash my hands as well.